Hello everybody and welcome back. Before we start, hit that subscribe button. It'll take you 1 second. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, today we are going to create a list of names and we're going to put some names in here. So we'll populate it with some names: Paul, Dave, Joe, Mark. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to remove names from this list, but we're going to create some functions to help us do that. So the first one is remove name. Okay, so this is the first one. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove some names. So I'm going to create entry is equal to input. Okay, I'm going to put name. So we've got Paul, Dave, Joe, and Mark. Okay, so that's the input. So we've got to choose one of those names here. So if entry is equal to, let's say, Paul, we're going to do something. So if the entry is equal to Paul, we're going to print by Paul. Okay, and then we're going to remove names. So names dot remove Paul. Okay, and then we're going to print out the names to see if the name Paul has actually been removed. Okay, now we're going to do an elif. So elif the entry is equal to, let's say, Mark. Okay, we're going to print by Mark and names dot remove, which is going to be Mark. So we're going to remove that name. And then of course we're going to print names to make sure that those names have been removed, and we're going to do another elif here. So elif entry is equal to, let's say, who haven't we done? Joe. Okay, Joe. Again, names dot remove, remove Joe. Okay, and then we're going to print names to make sure that Joe actually has been removed. And then we're going to do a catch all statement here, which is going to be an else, and print you have entered a wrong name. Okay, all we have to do now is just call this. So we're going to call it by calling it remove name, and this will call the function or start the program. Okay, we're just going to save it there and we're just going to run it. So let's have a look. So there we go. So let's just open that. So let's say Mark. Okay, entry by Mark. So Mark's gone. Let's say we'll have to start this again. So let's run it again. Let's say Joe. Okay, enter. Okay, Joe's gone. And what was the last one? Paul. Let's run the module for Paul. So I'm going to type in Paul here. And you can see Paul's gone. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that, and remember to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.